That's what I'm doing today. Slide! 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 Slide!
When I move, you move.
Just like that,
When I move, you move.
just like that,
When I move, you move.
just like that.
Stand up! Stand up!
Time!
You stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you! Stop hitting me!
I didn't hit you.
And when you smile,
Who's ready for some?
Stand up! Stand up!
Okay guys, before I get started, make sure to subscribe to this channel, Tiana Nicole, and my channel with my dad, Tiana and Daddy. So let's go. Oops, I meant let's get started. First I'm going to put this on my head, and I have clear glue, holographic blue glitter, a bowl, a fork, and activator. So let's get started. First, I'm going to pour the clear glue. I have a smaller bowl than usual, but it's okay. Just a little bit more. That's it. So next I'm going to pour in the glitter. This is going to look pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to mix it. Whoa, this looks really cool. It's really cool. But I'm just going to mix it just a little bit more so the glue mixes in with the glitter a little bit more. Time for the activator. Let's start pouring. Let's start pouring. Whoa. Time for me to use my hand. Whoa. Okay, I poured more activator. And now it's starting to come together. As you can see, it's coming together. After a lot of activator. This is kind of taking a long time. So I'm going to get the rest. It's almost there. Okay, now it's starting to come together more. Okay, so here's my slime. It's kind of not really clear yet because it has to wait 2 weeks for all the bubbles to get out. So when it's the 2 weeks, then the bubbles will be all out and it will have a lot of glitter. So I won't, and it's kind of not really stretchy yet because it has to wait 2 weeks too for it to clear, stretch more. kind of really sticky too. Okay, I want to thank you guys for watching me make my slime. Hope you guys enjoyed watching me make it, and I hope you were able to make one too. And make sure to subscribe to this channel, Tiana and Nicole, and me and my dad's channel, Tiana and Daddy. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and comment down below. Peace.
Stand up. Stand up.
I'm Daddy's toad, and that is hi. I told you,
Stop
Daddy.
hitting me.
You stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you. You hit me.
Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
Stop hitting you. Stop hitting me.
I didn't hit you.